Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter 3, whole numbers. Our first topic is natural numbers. What is the natural numbers? Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Once again I repeat, counting numbers are called natural numbers, or all the numbers starting from 1 are called natural number. All the numbers starting from 1. When we start our counting from 1, actually our digits start from 0 to 9, but there is a telling about the natural number, and our natural number start from 1. When our counting start from 1 are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N. In short form we will denote it by capital N. N means natural numbers. For example, N 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Let's see our next topic. Our next topic is whole numbers. WHOLE, whole numbers. Natural numbers including 0. When we add in natural number with 0, we will add, our natural number start from 1, and when we add in natural numbers with 0 are called whole numbers, or all the numbers starting from 0. When we start our counting numbers from 0 are called whole numbers. Only one difference between whole numbers and natural numbers, which is 0. In natural numbers 0 we will not add, and whole numbers we will add 0. In natural number we will start our counting from 1, and whole numbers we will start our counting from 0. Whole numbers are denoted by W, capital W. W means whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Let's see our next topic, which is successor of a whole numbers. What is a successor? In previous classes you already studied, and then in small classes first second you studied that before number, after number, and then when you reach then the fourth standard, fifth standard, so you already studied find the successor, find the predecessor. So successor, in this class you are studying because of whole numbers, so we will study about successor of whole numbers. Okay, so let's see. If we add 1 to a whole number, we get the next whole number, or called its successor. It means next number. Okay, when we add any given number with 1, then we will get next number. That next number is called the successor. And when we'll do this all method with whole numbers, so we will get next whole numbers. It's called its successor of given whole number. Let's see example. The example of 0 means when you will find the 0 or successor number, which is 1, because when you add 0 plus 1 you will get 1. It means the successor of 0 is 1. Let's see next example. The successor of 1. What is the successor of 1? When you add 1 plus 1, what you will get? You will get 2. It means the successor of 1 is 2. It means next number is called the successor when we add given number with plus 1. Let's see our next topic, predecessor. Predecessor means before number, previous number. Pre means before, pre. Okay, in small classes you studied that before number, third, fourth, when you reached you studied the predecessor. Now we are studying whole numbers, so we will find the predecessor of whole number. What is the means of predecessor of whole number? Let's see. One less than a given whole number, but one important thing, what is other than 0. Okay, one less than a given whole number but other than 0 is called its predecessor. What is a predecessor of whole number? When you have any whole number, so when you will subtract with that given number, then which number you will get, that number is called the predecessor of whole number. Let's see the example. The predecessor of 1, when you subtract 1 minus 1, what you will get? You will get 0. And don't be confused, I am writing here other than 0 means for subtracting other than 0, not for result 0. Okay, for subtracting. You cannot subtract with 0 minus 1. I am saying other than 0 means other than 0 you can take any numbers, 12, 13, 1000, whatever, but you will not subtract with 0. The predecessor of 1 is 0. The predecessor of 10 is 9. When you subtract 10 minus 1, what you will get? You will get 9. It means the predecessor of 10 is 9. I hope so you students you understand. There are some examples of successor and predecessor together. You can see 7148. When you will add plus 1, you will get successor. When you will subtract 1, you will get predecessor. Okay, there are some examples. 8950 plus 1 successor, 8951, subtract predecessor, subtract 1, so you will get 8950. There are some more examples. I hope students you will understand the concept of natural number, whole number, successor of whole number, predecessor of whole number.